Want passive income without working harder? Imagine earning cash every month, deposited right into your account, just by owning the right stocks. It's called dividend investing. Buy shares in solid companies, and they pay you a portion of their profits, called dividends, regularly. In 2025, with inflation still a concern, dividends help your money keep its value and provide stability in uncertain times. The key is picking companies with a long history of paying and increasing dividends. By the end of this video, you'll know the top 10 stocks to start your passive income journey. Let's talk about why dividend investing is so powerful right now. With regular stocks, you only profit if the price goes up. Dividend stocks pay you regardless of market swings. That steady cash flow acts as a buffer, even when the market is flat or down. The best companies increase their dividends yearly, often outpacing inflation, so your income grows over time. This helps you maintain your lifestyle and build real wealth. Plus, getting paid just for holding shares changes your relationship with money. You can reinvest dividends to compound your wealth or use the cash for expenses. It's a real step toward financial independence. How do you find the best dividend stocks? Don't just chase the highest yield, that's risky. Look for a yield above 3% for meaningful cash flow, but not so high it's a red flag. Prioritize companies with at least 10 years of consistent growing dividends. These are proven survivors. Focus on dividend aristocrats and kings, those with 25+ years of increases. Check fundamentals, strong balance sheet, manageable debt, and a healthy payout ratio. Avoid companies paying out all their profits as dividends. Use AI tools like TradeRiser or FinBrain to screen thousands of stocks quickly and spot risks. Combine timeless principles with modern tech to find the best picks. We've covered why dividend investing works and how to pick winners. Now it's time to put this strategy into action. I've researched and analyzed the data to find the top companies for 2025. These stocks offer consistent passive income and growth potential. Grab your notepad. Let's get into the specific names and ticker symbols. Here's the list you've been waiting for. But remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. These 10 stocks were chosen for their yield, business stability, and growth potential. Each has a strong history of rewarding shareholders and a solid outlook for 2025. We'll count down from 10 to 1, covering a range of industries for diversification. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with number 10 and work our way up. For each company, I'll explain what they do, their dividend, and why they made the list. The reliable companies that pay you consistently year after year. Our first pick is a cornerstone stock, reliable, consistent, and built to last. Let's start the countdown. Number 10 is Realty Income ticker O, known as the Monthly Dividend Company. They pay a 5.2% yield, distributed monthly, making cash flow management easy. Realty Income owns over 12,000 commercial properties, leased to recession-resistant businesses like Walmart and Walgreens. Their focus on single-tenant, long-term leases creates stable income. Realty Income has increased its dividend for over 30 years, weathering every economic storm. It's a dividend aristocrat and a foundation for any dividend portfolio. For reliability, Realty Income is hard to beat. Number 9 is Main Street Capital, ticker Main, a business development company. Main pays a 6.1% yield monthly by investing in small and mid-sized U.S. businesses. They provide both loans and equity, diversifying across industries for safety. When their portfolio companies grow, so does Main's value, and your dividends. They even pay supplemental dividends in strong quarters. Main is a unique, high-yield way to invest in America's growth. Number 8 is Stag Industrial, ticker Stag, a REIT focused on warehouses and distribution centers. With a 4.8% yield paid monthly, Stag profits from the e-commerce boom. Their tenants include Amazon, FedEx, and DHL, companies with constant demand for space. Stag's single-tenant focus and last-mile locations mean steady long-term income. By owning the infrastructure behind online shopping, Stag is set for growth. It's a smart way to ride the e-commerce wave. Number 7 is Apple, ticker AAPL, The yield is just 0.8%, but Apple increases its dividend every year and has huge growth potential. With a low payout ratio and massive cash reserves, Apple can keep raising dividends for decades. Their push into AI and new products means more revenue and future dividend hikes. Apple is a safe, long-term bet for both growth and a rising income stream. Buy now, and your yield on cost could soar over time. Number 6 is Coca-Cola, ticker KO, a dividend king with 62 years of consecutive increases. KO pays a 3.1% yield and is one of the most recession-proof businesses worldwide. Their global brand and diverse product lineup keep cash flowing in any economy. Coca-Cola adapts to changing tastes, ensuring long-term relevance. Buy KO, reinvest dividends, and hold for reliable, growing income. For pure stability, Coca-Cola is unmatched. That's it for today's top 10 dividend stocks for passive income in 2025. Each offers a unique way to build reliable cash flow and reach your financial goals. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more wealth-building tips and hit the notification bell. Check the description for links to AI tools and more info on these stocks. What's your passive income goal for next year? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to help.